Hello, I am Giridhar Maurya. I am the data analyst trainee at Trainity. Today I am going to overview on the analyzing the impact of car features on price and profitability. So we know that the automotive industry is nowadays very competitive. So mainly the key features such as horsepower, fuel efficiency, car brands and additional attributes like safety ratings, technological integrations and design elements can significantly influence the car market's value and profitability. So this analysis will help in identifying which features contribute most to the higher prices and profitability and how manufacturers can optimize their offerings. So this data I have downloaded from the Trinity site uh, in which there is 11,915 rows and 16 columns, and after cleaning the data we got the 11,813 rows and the 16 columns. In this project I have analyzed for the automobile market, and for this I have used the descriptive analysis. We know that analytical methods are very essential for various applications in business, healthcare, finance, engineering, and etc. So I have used the descriptive analysis to find out the mean for the numerical data given in data set, use the predictive analysis and find out the linear regression analysis, diagnostic analysis for the correlation analysis, done the exploratory data analysis and visualize through the scatter chart, bubble chart, distribution chart. The tools I have used the Microsoft Excel 2016 for EDA exploratory data analysis, and Microsoft Word 2016 for the creating report, and Google Chrome for downloading the data. So let's start from the task A, where I have to create a pivot table that shows the number of car models in each market category and their corresponding popularity score. Also we have to create a combo chart that visualize the relations between market category and popularity. So let's go to the Excel file. This is my final data after the cleaning. So in the Excel file, this I have created this data I have created through the pivot chart. In the pivot chart, I have taken in the count of model in the value column and value in the column and market category in the rows, and created this chart. On the basis of this chart, I have created this graph which shows the relations between the market category and popularity. So after the analyzing of this chart, we can see that the crossover luxury performance hybrid category have only two models available, but it is very popular, having popularity count is 3916. Exotic luxury models are very low in popularity. It also may be due to the high price and only affordable for the rich people. Uh, when we see that the maximum 1103 models belongs to the crossover category in the market only, and hatchback, flex fuel diesel and crossover models are the very popular but available in very few models. Now coming to the task 2, where we have to create a scatter chart that plots engine power on the x-axis and price on the y-axis, and we also have to add the trend lines and visualize the relationship between these variables. So I have created this in the task 2. I have taken this data. On the basis of this data, I have created this chart which is showing the relationship between car engine and power and its price. So from the trend line we can see that the trend line is going upward, and it is showing that as the engine power is increasing, then the price is also increasing. It means the higher engine power means higher engine horsepower, higher will be the price, lower engine horsepower will lower the price. Coming to the task 3. In the task 3, I have to use the regression analysis to identify the variables that have the strongest relationship with car price, and then we have to create the bar chart that shows the coefficient variables. So I have calculated the regression analysis. Coming to the Excel file, this is the regression analysis I have created, and also created the chart on the basis of this regression analysis. So coming to the insight, on the basis of regression analysis we can see the engine HP, engine cylinders in highway MPG, city MPG having the positive and significant relationship with car price, and number of doors and popularity having the negative relationship. It means number of door increasing means the car price is decreasing. Now coming to the task 4, where we have to create a pivot table that shows the average price of car for each manufacturer. Also we have to create a bar chart or a horizontal stack bar chart that visualize the relationship between manufacturer and average price. So coming to the Excel file, this is the task 4, where we have taken this data. I have calculated the average MSRP on the basis of brand name, and we have created the relationship between the manufacturer and average price through this graph on the basis of this data. Coming to the insight of task 4, and some luxurious model like Bugatti, Rolls-Royce and Bentley have the higher average MSRP. Now coming to the task 5. In the task 5, we have to create a scatter plot with the number of cylinders on the x-axis and highway MPG on the y-axis. And in task B, calculate the correlation coefficient between the number of cylinders and the highway MPG to quantify the strength and direction of the relationship. So coming to the Excel file, in the task 5, I have calculated the correlation coefficient, where we can see that the highway MPG and the engine cylinders having the negative correlations, which absolutely showing that the as the number of cylinder will increase, highway MPG means mileage will be decreased. Also trend line showing the going downwards. It shows the relationship between the highway MPG and the number of cylinders. Now coming to the next task, where we have to build the dashboard. In this task, how does the distribution of car prices vary by brands and body style, and also given hint here. So we have to create a chart, distribution chart, which shows the car prices by the brand and body style. Coming to the Excel file, I have taken this data and created this through the pivot chart, where I have let's check the field list. In the field list, I have taken the column level. I have taken the column level as the vehicle style, and the make is in the row level, and calculated the sum of MSRP. So this is the sum of MSRP, and this is the make, car brand's name, and this is the body style of the car, and also calculated the graph on the basis of this data. This is the distribution of car prices by brand and body style. This is distribution graph. So in this task, I have calculated the total MSRP as per body type and brand name, and I have drawn the above stack column chart showing the distribution of car price by brand and body style. We can see that the brand Chevrolet have the maximum number of car available in different body style. Then Mercedes-Benz car having the maximum variant in body style. Bugatti having the only single variant of body style. Now coming to the task 2. In task 2, I have to calculate that which car brand have the highest and lowest average MSRP, and how does this vary by body style. So this is the hint. Coming to the Excel file. So in this task, we have taken here as the brand name, and this is the body style. This calculation is as the previous task, but here I have calculated the average of the MSRP for the each brand compared to the body style. Also calculated the total, and on the basis of this task, we have calculated the graph which shows the average MSRP across different car brands and the body style. Also I have created this slicer. On the basis of slicer, we can check the relationship of according to the brand. vehicle style. So coming to the insight of this task, we can see that Bugatti brand have the highest average price in coupe style among all the brands, followed by Maybach in the comfortable body style. Plymouth brand having the lowest average price compared to all the brand. Now coming to the task 3. In the task 3, how do the different features such as transmission type affect the MSRP, and how does this vary by the body style? So this is the relationship between the MSRP and the transmission type. Coming to the Excel file, here we have taken this data, like we have taken the transmission type and the body style, and we have calculated the average of the MSRP, and then on the basis of this data we have created this chart. So we can see that the automotive manual transmission having the highest average MSRP and have the coupe and convertible body style. Manual transmission have the lowest average MSRP, and it is the body type passenger minivan. This is the passenger minivan. And from the graph we can see the automatic transmission type having the higher average MSRP compared to the manual transmission. And automated manual transmission only available in the luxury brands like Bugatti, Maybach, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bentley, and also average MSRP is very high. Coming to the task 4. In the task 4, we have to calculate the fuel efficiency of car vary across different body style and model. So coming to the Excel file, here I have created this line chart on the basis of this data, where I have taken the year and columns as the body style taken in the columns, and this is the highway MPG, average of highway MPG calculated for the each body style in every year, and then created the line chart on the basis of this graph. Also created the slicers on the basis of year and vehicle style. So by using the line chart analysis, it is observed that the 4DR hatchback body style have the highest mileage. This is the 4DR hatchback body style. At the second position, second DR hatchback, followed by the sedan body style having the maximum mileage. So from the analysis we can say that these three styles are the more efficient in terms of mileage, and fuel efficiency have significantly improved in 4DR hatchback during the time and have very good mileage. We can see that fuel efficiency have improved in the 4DR. Now coming to the next task, this is the task 5. How does the car horsepower MPG price vary across different brands? We have to create the bubble chart here, and we have to show the relationship between the horsepower MPG price across different car brands. So coming to the Excel file, I have created this bubble chart. So we can see that higher in brands like Bugatti, Maybach may have the higher average horsepower compared to the mid-range brands like Toyota, Suzuki, and brands focused on fuel efficiency like Suzuki might show the higher average MPG. Luxury brands like Bugatti, Lamborghini typically have the higher average price. Horsepower and price indicate that higher horsepower car tends to be more expensive, like Bugatti, Mercedes, Maybach, Lamborghini. We can see that the brand BMW have the highest engine power, but mileage is very low. So this is all the task. So on the after doing these all tasks, this analysis provides the variable insight into how car feature impact price and profitability. By leveraging these insights, automotive companies can make informed decisions to optimize their product, offering price strategy and marketing effort to enhance the productivity. And this report summarizes the project result, highlight the significant impact of car feature on price and profitability. Also provide some actionable recommendations like car with higher horsepower are priced higher and yield better profit margin. We can see that fuel efficient car appeal to a specific market segment. A higher brand prestige score lead to significantly higher price and better profit margins. Also, new models tends to higher price due to the technological advancement and consumer preference for the highest model. Overall, this project makes me learn the various data analysis in the Excel, like regression. This project enables my ADS skill to the next level. Also enhanced my knowledge to extract the meaningful insight from the data. I also learned from this project that how to find out the key insight from the data and how to do the deep exploratory data analysis. And that's all from the my side. Thank you.